Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS4 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon right here. It looks like a moon. Now, to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color, it will be highlighted, and this means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. Okay, so that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode, and to disable it, simply wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and tap on the icon again to disable it, and the icon will get grayed out. It will be basically, it won't be highlighted anymore. And that means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode through the phone application. So we can bring our phone right here, open the Haylou phone application on the phone that is paired with our watch. We can tap on Me, select our Haylou RS4 from the list, and here we can scroll down, find the option called DND Mode, and we can tap on the switch right here to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And when you open or rather wake up the screen on your watch, open the quick panel, you will see that the mode is enabled, and if you disable it, it's gonna be disabled. You can also set up a schedule for it, basically, so when it turns on automatically and turns off automatically. So you can tap on start up time, and here you can set the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. To do it, for example, I'm gonna set it to 10:30 p.m. like this, and the finish time is when the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning off, and I'm gonna set it to something like 7:30 maybe. Okay, like this. And now the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 7:30 a.m. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you turn on and turn off the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.